Levi's for floors, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
I'm Suzanne Winn, and everything I'm about to tell you right now is super counterintuitive. So buckle up and let's get started. All right, so you have a glorious kitchen, or maybe it's not so glorious, but you want to do something to your counterparts. And trust me, the devil is in the details. So there's a couple of simple tricks that I can show you that'll zhuzh up any countertop. Number one, layer in a punch of color. What I like to do is I go to my local grocery store or my backyard and I find lemons, oranges, Granny Smith apples, and then I get a couple of big vases, column style vases, and plop them in. Another trick, rosemary. Take a little rosemary, put it in a shot glass. It's beautiful and it smells amazing. Carrara is very hot right now in countertops, but if you can't afford a new countertop, you can afford a Carrara accessory. You can get a hot pad. You can get a mortar and pestle. You can get a pepper container. I put salt and pepper next to the stove. Not only is it beautiful, but it's functional. Lastly, I have a olive oil container. Now these type of accessories all can be purchased from Target all the way up to Williams-Sonoma. So there's something for everybody and something for every budget. I'm Suzanne Winn, and let's see if you can counter that.